Solved problems. Final accounts from single entry books. Problem. The following is a summary of Mr. Adebayo's bank account for the year ended 31st December 2017. Bank. Debit side. Opening balance 405. Receipts from sundry debtors 37,936. On the credit side, creditors 27,487. Rent 1,650. Rates 890. Sundry expenses 375. Drawings 6,541. Balance carried down 1,398. All the business taking cash receipts have been paid into the bank with the exception of 9,630. Out of this, Mr. Adebayo has paid wages of 5,472, drawings 1,164 and purchases of goods 2,994. The following additional information is also available as on 31st December 2016 and 31st December 2017. Stock December 2016 13,862, December 2017 15,144. Creditors December 2016 5,624, December 2017 7,389. Debtors December 2016 9,031, December 2017 8,624. Rates prepaid December 2016 210, December 2017 225. Rent owing December 2016 150, December 2017 nil. Fixtures December 2016 2500, December 2017 2250. Required drawing up a set of final accounts for the year ended 31st December 2017. Show all your workings. Mr. Adebayo capital as on 31st December 2016. We need to prepare the opening balance sheet to obtain the capital of Mr. Adebayo as on 31st December 2016. From the information given, from the additional information given, bank 405, stock 13,862, debtors 9031, rates prepaid 210, fixtures 2500, total assets 26008, less creditors 5624, rent owing 150, total credits 5,774 and the balance 2234 is the capital of Mr. Adebayo as on 31st December 2016. Credit sales. Amounts received from debtors 37,936. Add closing balance 8,624. Total 46,580. Less opening balance 9,031. Credit sales is equal to 37,529. Sales during the year. Credit sales 37,529 as worked out above and cash sales 9,630. Total sales 47,159. Credit purchases. Paid to creditors through bank 27,487. Add closing balance 7,389. Total 34,876. Less opening balance 5,624. Credit purchases 29,252. Purchases during the year. Credit purchases 29,252 as worked out above. Add cash purchases 2,994. Total purchases 32,246. Rates expired. Prepaid rates 31st December 2017 225 less prepaid rates as on 31st December 2016 210. The balance is rates expired 15. Rates owing. Rates paid through bank 890 less rates expired 15. Rates expense 875. Rent expense. Rent paid through bank 1,650 less rent owing 150. Rent expense 1,500. Depreciation and accumulated depreciation on fixtures. Fixtures as on December 2016 2,500 less fixtures December 2017 2,250. Depreciation and accumulated depreciation is 250. Let us prepare trial balance. Trial balance as on 31st December 2017. Bank 1398. Opening stock 13,862. Debtors 8,624. Rates prepaid 225. Fixtures 2,500. Mr. Adebayo's drawings 7,705. Purchases 32,246. Wages 5,472. Rent expense 1,500. Rates 875. Sundry expenses 375. Depreciation 250. Total debits 75,032. On the credit side of the trial balance as on 31st December 2017, accumulated depreciation 250, creditors 7,389, Mr. Adebayo's capital 2234, sales 47,159, total credits 75,032. Trading and profit and loss account as on 31st December 2017. On the debit side of trading account, opening stock 13,862, purchases 32,246, wages 5,472. On the credit side, sales 47,159, closing stock 15,114, total credits 62,303. There is a gross profit of 10,723 carried forward to profit and loss account. In the profit and loss account, the administrative expenses are rent expense 1,500, rates 875, sundry expenses 375, depreciation 250. Total gross profit is 10,723 after deducting the admin expenses of 3,000, net profit of 7,723, transferred to capital account. The balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 30th December 2017. On the asset side, bank 1398, stock 15144, debtors 8624, rates prepaid 225, fixtures 2500, less accumulated depreciation 250, net 2250. Total assets 27,641. On the credit side, liabilities side, creditors 7389, Mr. Adebayo's capital 2234, add profit 7,723, less drawings 7,707, total net capital 2252, total liabilities 27,641. This is how to prepare the final account from the information given.